हेलो मैं सो 1% तू तो मतलब बेइज्जती कर रहा है यार क्रिकेट की वजह से. सो 1% नो बेसिकली आई एम नॉट डूइंग बेइज्जती बेसिकली. आई एम नॉट डूइंग बेइज्जती बेसिकली. So 1% told that. So what other task basically is going to do by the Mumbai city basically? By Gujarat basically, Gujarati people basically. Because in Gujarat basically, Gujarati people's matters basically. Because they are responsible for everything basically. Whatever thing basically is going to happen in Mumbai, for that Marathi people basically are responsible. Whatever things is happening in Gujarat, Gujaratis are responsible. So that is basically by nature only basically because they are ruling the Gujarat basically. 7% to that they are basically in not front basically. They have kept Biharis, they have kept UP people, they have kept Madhya Pradesh people. Like this basically they are ruling basically. But ultimately they are only ruling now basically. So we are not going to discuss basically this everything basically. Who is ruling Vadodara city, who is ruling Mumbai basically. We are not discussing that basically. So here we are discussing is about the task basically. Each and every people basically in Mumbai city basically are going to do one task. What task basically? So 1% told that see basically Reliance Mall basically. That Reliance Mall you can see basically. Yes, basically I can see basically. There basically one potato basically is of 5,000 rupees basically. 6,000 basically. So when the people basically are going to eat that potato, what task basically they might be doing basically? Because that is 5,000 rupees energy basically. And at least basically people are going to eat 2-3 potatoes basically in one sabji basically. 7% that is, that means that sabji basically cost how much? 20,000, 30,000 basically. So after eating that basically 30,000 rupees sabji basically what they are going to do task. So that Reliance only basically no. Why? Because they have designed the potato basically and tested by Bollywood groups. They directly basically will tell basically ask Bollywood because they are very professional group basically. They have given the money to Bollywood group basically. Take care of this potato basically. That's all basically. They are going to tell this only basically. So Bollywood group basically will be responsible basically. So in next video see.